Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here at the Nutty Gnome Homestead. It is a beautiful day here in Southern Illinois, and just like we did earlier, we're going to be planting some of our corn, glass gem ornamental corn or popcorn, in our garden today. Now, we're going to be using the Earthway seeder again. If you guys haven't used one of these, they're great, especially if you have a back injury or you're on the older side. So, guys, just like with the green beans, we've got a different plate in here, as you can see. And when we rotate this, it picks up a kernel of corn and it's going to bring it up and it's going to drop it down this little chute and it's going to get it planted. But you can see just how pretty that glass gem corn is. This is some that we grew and we saved the seed ourselves. It's absolutely wonderful for popcorn. It's beautiful in any kind of fall decorations. It's about 100 to 110 days, so we can plant this now, and then I can also get my atomic orange corn planted as well because it's only like a 75 day corn. So since they're not going to cross pollinate, I can get them planted. Now you want to remember, you want to plant your corn in blocks because it's wind pollinated. Even though we got these in rows, we're going to put 3 runs in each one of these rows just to make sure that there's plenty of pollen to get all the cobs pollinated. So we're going to take our kickstand off. We're going to go ahead and get ready. And here we go. We got one seed going to each one of the little sprockets, the little holes on the seed plate there. It's going to take us no time to plant this out. So this row here is 20 to 22 inches wide. It's what we tilled up. We amended it with compost, chicken and rabbit manure. So we wanted to make sure our corn is about 6 inches apart. The rows are about 6 to 7 inches apart. Like I said, this row itself is like 22 inches wide. So we got plenty of room here. There's going to be plenty of corn to get all these fertilized when the wind blows. So I will bring you guys back later this summer whenever it starts tasseling, and I'll show you all the pollination process. We're all organic here, so I'm not going to be doing any spraying except for a little bit of neem oil on this to make sure there's no earwigs or anything going on. If you guys don't mind, why don't you tell me how you plant your glass gem, atomic orange, painted mountain corn, your ornamental corn, or your popcorn? You guys do it a little bit different than I do. This is how we've been doing it for years. This is how my grandparents used to do it. It's how my folks used to do it. This is how I'm going to do it now. So, because I know this system works for us. We do heavily amend our soil. We are going to feed this a whole lot of manure because corn does take a lot of nitrogen to grow. So, whenever we water, we're going to use chicken manure tea, which we're going to take a couple bags of chicken manure, soak it in rainwater, and that's what we're going to fertilize our corn with here soon. So, let me know how you guys plant your corn. If you guys do me a favor, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. It's really going to help us out. So until next time, get out there, get your corn planted, and enjoy the beautiful day in the spring. Y'all stay safe.